my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or insert Sunburst chart in Microsoft Word on Windows 11. So for this case we will go to, or we will open any kinds of file from the laptop or from the other side. So this side already I opened before. So click the insert options here, the chart button, or not button, is chart options. So Sunburst chart which has been revealed in this system, which have been by default. So click here. So the Sunburst chart has been here. So click, and the chart has been revealed with the by default information. If we want to change the information, then we can do it easily. See, the information is here. So according to the information the chart has been revealed, we can change this chart, not change, actually we can redesign this chart in this way. Here we will place here this way. Also we can change from the here style here. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.